Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve Deccan Herald newspaper Sudoku puzzle on December 20, 2022, diagonal Sudoku. Seventh row, column G. In this diagonal, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 confirm here. Column C, column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 confirm here. Third grid and seventh grid and seventh row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 confirm here. Sixth row, seventh row, we get pair numbers 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come here another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, we have 7, 9 and 6. That 3 numbers can't come this cell. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then fourth grade, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, we have 5. Second row also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column B, and in this diagonal we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Tenth row, and in this diagonal also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column J and fourth row, and in this diagonal also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then second row we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. Third grid and ninth row, column C, we have 5. And fifth grade also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column C, column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Column E also we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. Third also we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. And fifth grade also we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then column C we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then fourth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then in this diagonal, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Third grade, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. Column I, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B and second row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then column C, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. 8th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 7th grade, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column D, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then column B, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5th grade, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. In this diagonal, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column F and second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. In third row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then second grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 6. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column F and 10th row, we have pair numbers 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 8th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 8th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, then 7 is confirmed here. 8th row, column I, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. 9th grade, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Column I, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 9th row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column E, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column E, column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then second grade, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 8th row, two numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column F, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column E, column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. Column E, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column I, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column G, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. 6th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column I, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. 6th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 6th grade, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. 7th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 7th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.